happy birthday and welcome to the Christian World. We always assure you na nandito si Kuya Lem, nandito si Ninong Lem, kagapay ng mga parents mo, and even dito sa journey mo sa paglaki mo. Sana patuloy kang lumaking may takot sa Diyos and you continue to dream bigger, most especially in helping people.
Happy birthday, Queen! Welcome to Christian World and happy birthday. I'm always your Papu, and I'll be always there for you. Happy birthday!
Maraming salamat, Panginoon, at binigyan mo kami ng regalo ng Paskong ito na isang angel. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday, Jihan Estres Queen.
Your smile plays like a movie in my mind.
Hello, Queen. Happy birthday and happy christening. Sana maging mabait kang apo, malusog, walang kakasakit at palagi sumusunod sa mga sinasabi ng magulang.
Prayer namin, lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, malusog, huwag magkakasakit, at huwag masungit. Laging ngingiti at laging susunod sa magulang. Happy birthday!
Laugh a little louder. You make me dream a little bigger. My life is so much sweeter 'cause you make me better.
Happy birthday, Queen! Sobrang sobrang thankful kami na dumating ka sa buhay namin. And yung journey ay hindi madali, pero worth it lahat ng sacrifice, di ba, Daddy? Lahat ng pagod and hirap. And ikaw yung biggest blessing sa amin, ang unang-unang queen ng pamilya. And mahal na mahal kita, nak. Lahat gagawin ni Mommy para sa'yo.
Anak, happy birthday. Salamat sa biyayang binigay mo sa amin, sa happiness sa family natin. Salamat sa mga blessings na kasama mo dumating sa buhay namin. Pero ikaw yung pinaka malaking blessing na na-receive namin. Naway maging successful ang buhay mo, lumaki kang walang malayo sa sakit, lumaki ka sanang may takot sa Diyos. Ingatan mo si Mami, if ever na wala si Daddy, ikaw ang sister ng family na to, or ikaw ang queen. So kailangan bantayan mo si Mami. Huwag kayong papabaya sa sarili. Ingatan yung parehas sa sarili ninyo. Nandito lang naman si Daddy para gabayan kayo lagi. Pinagpapasuggest ko na yung buhay mo, naway maging blessing ka rin sa iba. Ayan.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, na.
You make me dream a little bigger. My life is so much sweeter because you make me breathe a little deeper. You make me sing a little stronger. My life is so much sweeter 'cause you make me better. You make me better.
Wake up, step into the world outside. The future never looks so bright. Can't you hear it calling us? Let go, leave all of your cares behind. You never know where you might find sunny days are coming up. Dreaming of tomorrow, soaking up the sun. We can sit and talk about it, or we could run away, 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 away. We don't have to stay, we could run away. Away, 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 away. Oh, we could run away, run away. Let's go.